So hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how you can activate DDPI in Groww application. So for this, first of all open your Groww application and then tap on holdings option. Then scroll down your page and friends, here you will get to see an option of activate DDPI. So friends, before activating the DDPI, let me explain what is the benefit of activating this option. So guys, in Groww application, when you want to sell any stock, you have to fill your TPIN or OTP. And when you activate the DDPI feature, in then you don't need to fill the OTP or TPIN. I hope you understand. And if you want to activate the DDPI, then tap on activate DDPI. So guys, as you tap on this option, our page will be open here. And friends, if you want to activate the DDPI, so for this you have to pay 100 rupees plus GST, which is 18%. So if you want to activate, then tap on add money and activate option. And guys, as you tap on this option, our new page will be open, and after paying the amount, our new page will be open, in which you have to fill your Aadhaar card. And after approving all these steps, your DDPI will be activated after 2 to 4 days. And friends, as this option is activated, you can sell your share without TPIN or OTP. So guys, if you have any questions, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.